Hello folks, thanks for tuning in. This is a video here at Heartland RV in Tucson, Arizona of a 2015 Landmark top of the line fifth wheel for the Heartland manufacturing. This is a nice luxury all-weather insulated fifth wheel, a good 41 footer. It's got 3 big slide outs, 2 awnings. Got the 6-point auto leveling system. It is also gen prepped. It's already plug and play there for a generator. Does not have a generator, but it does have everything else with all the wiring, the firebox, the plug-in right there. This has a residential refrigerator. There's the battery box for it right there. It has a 1000-watt inverter. Beautiful coats, dual pane windows. This is the Landmark 365 model. Large, big pass-through compartment here for storage. 12-gallon hot water heater. It's got the frameless windows. You can see the awnings are in excellent shape with lighting, LED lighting in them. You see up there on both awnings. Also has an outside TV. You want to watch nice weather out here and watch the game. Kind of a quick video of this, so I don't bore you with my commentary. Got a back ladder here. Really nice shape. Dual pane windows, I mentioned that already. 50 amp service. Really nice. Folks, if you're looking for a nice, good quality fifth wheel, here it is. This will stand the colder country, the heat, dual ACs. All your hookups are right there. Auto leveling system. Push button. You want to come see this in person? Come visit us at 4060 North Flowing Wells Road here in Tucson, Arizona. Give us a call at 520-293-1010. You can also visit our website, nelsonrv.com. We sell quality used RVs. You can also reach somebody in sales. You can call or text 520-512-8171. Thank you for watching and happy RVing.